Stella Metsavas, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite Greek healthy yogurts that combines flaxseed, a little bit of cocoa powder, some pecans, and some maple syrup. So this is a truly authentic Greek yogurt. I'm using a brand called Fai. A lot of people pronounce it Fagi, but it's called Fai, and what that means is food in Greek. So I'm going to layer a little bowl with some yogurt. I'm going to take a tiny bit of cocoa powder, tiny bit. Cocoa powder is really good for you. It has polyphenols in there. What those are antioxidants that help really combat free radicals. I'm going to add a little bit of pecan. And now the flaxseed as the fiber. Flaxseed has a lot of fiber in there, very similar to chia seeds, about half the money. Now I'm going to do another layer again of the Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is really thick because it's actually a strained yogurt. So it's really custard-like, and this is pretty as close to a healthy dessert as you can get. So here we're doing, again, another layer of the cocoa, just a tiny bit. Some pecans. About a tablespoon of flaxseed. And now we're going to just top with a little bit of pure maple syrup. There we go. And there you go. A beautiful flaxseed and yogurt layered snack, dessert, or even a breakfast. My name is Stella Metsavas. Enjoy.